Yeah. Aha. Programmers, welcome. And non-programmers, welcome. Now, looking at prime numbers. We look at prime numbers today. How can we write? Look, tell. How can we tell if the number is a prime number or if the number is not a prime number? First of all, what is a prime number? A prime number is any number that only one and itself can divide. Only one and itself can divide it. So let's get started. We say number equal to integer input, which is to get the value from the user. I can tell the person, please enter a positive number. Please enter a positive number. Good. Now we'll be using a function which we'll call what is prime. And this function is we take only one argument, which is the number. So say we can put the note on the function, please uh, check checks if a number, a positive number is a prime number. Good. So we have this way. So we know that zero is not a prime number. So what we do first? The a number goes to zero. You should what return to return what return first. Good. Then we also check if the number is equal to one. It should return what? Return. One return the first. One is not a prime number. Then we make so if the number is not one, if the number is not two, let me say the number is three. How can we check if how can we get the factors of those numbers and to know if the factor of the number is only one and the number itself. So we make something like this. For fact in the range of starting from two towards the number. And the range stops before the number. So we can add the number plus one. So it will stop exactly at that number. Good. So we have this way. Then what will be the next? If number is number divisible by fact equals to zero, then we should return what? False. Else, there should be a return of true. Good. So we've done this. This function is prime will tell us if a number is prime or if the number is not prime. If a number is prime or if the number is not prime. So we can let me save it. Let me save this. I'll call this prime number text. Text. Prime number teller. Py. Good. So what I have here, as you can see on the screen, I don't want to enter a number. I just want to get this is prime. I want to check if my prime number works. It's prime 7, but its prime is not defined. Okay, good. Its prime is not defined because it comes inside a program, not the main program. So we'll go back to our program and we check this. So what to know if the number is a prime or if the number is not a prime. So, excuse me for that. We'll have to do some logic here. They'll say answer is equal to is prime of what? Of number. Is prime of number. Then if answer prints the number number is a prime number as prints. I'm formatting the string, that's why you see that F there, the number, and you see this in the curly bracket. It brings out the number exactly for me. The number is not a prime number. So I want this to go to the next line. So I'll make use of this. Then with this, I think I'm good to go. Good. I run it again. Let me show you my output screen as you have it here. You can see it. So I enter a number 7 and it tells me 7 is not a prime number. Okay, there's an error here in my code. There's an error in my code. Let me see where the error is coming from. It's a minor error. Okay, if answer good, if this answer is true, good. Okay, so I think I've gotten where the error is coming from. Just that little addition on that side. So I have 7. 7 is a prime number. The number 7 is a prime number. So if I get is prime 7, it will return true. Now, is prime 100. What do you do? You return false because 100 is not a prime number. So with this program, you have been able to tell if a number is a prime number and you'll be able to uh, see the prime number. So in the next program, we'll get the factors of a number and show it in a list. That's what we'll do. The next program will get the factors of a number, then we'll show the numbers, and we'll show the factors in the list. Please do have a nice day and stay safe. Thank you.